Hey guys, welcome to week 2 of Healthcare Informatics. I think you did a great job in week 1 overall, and this week we're going to take it a little bit further. And I imagine that with our discussion, many of you will have experiences that you can contribute to the conversation. So overall, you did a nice job with the questions that you posed, so keep that up for this week. But also, I wanted to mention that following APA format is really, really important. I didn't deduct points for that this week. I gave everyone a little bit of a bye, if you will. But for this next week, I'm going to start being really tough on that. So please make sure that if you have questions about how to apply APA formatting, ask me. I can help you with that. And I'm also attaching to the announcement a document called the meal plan. It's a great way to think about writing paragraphs and writing papers overall, really just starting out with the main idea, then including evidence and analysis, and then linking back to the final claim with sort of a conclusion and then transition to your next paragraph. It really helped me when I started to think about it in that way. And part of being a leader is being able to write clearly. Even though we are using more technology than ever, writing is more important than ever because you're still writing, whether it's in an email or even in a text, and you need to communicate clearly. So the reason I'm big on writing and APA format is because it's going to help you in your career to be even more successful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Thanks and have a great week, guys. Happy Halloween.